Hi everybody, welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a subscriber. I want to say thank you for tuning in, and I want to talk about my new page, which is Alluring Beauty Solutions. This is the official YouTube page of Alluring Beauty Solutions. And on this page we're going to talk about health and diet, we're going to talk about makeup and beauty, and we're also going to talk about spirituality. So today let's get right in. I want to talk about what Alluring Beauty Solutions is about. Alluring Beauty Solutions is about applying makeup. It's about looking your best, feeling your best. It's about being beautiful inside and out. I had to wet my palette with a little bit of water. So let's talk about when you feel your best. When you feel your best, you're approaching the world with a positive attitude. You're approaching the world with your best face forward. You tend to have more confidence, and you stand to sit up a little bit straighter and have your shoulders back and your chin up to the world, and you're ready to face your day. And when you don't have your best looking face forward, then you tend to kind of slouch your shoulders or lean forward or just basically have a bad day. So let's focus on looking our best. So here are some tips about how you can look your best even if you don't want to wear a full face makeup. So the first thing you can do is clean your skin underneath the makeup, because the first step to beautiful makeup is beautiful skin. And the way I perfect my skin is a 3-step program. And I'm going to do another video about the 3 steps. So just look down in the description. Okay, so once you cleanse your skin, you clarify it and you moisturize it, you're going to mix a little bit of foundation with whatever moisturizer that you use. So whether you use a cream or a lotion, you're just going to mix a little bit of foundation with that, and you're just going to put it all over your face just so you can have full coverage. I have an airbrush look if you just mixed a little bit of the foundation with the lotion. You can put on a little bit of lip gloss, a little bit of mascara, and that can help you look your best throughout your day. Now if you want to go take it up a notch, you can also add a little bit of eyeshadow or a little bit of eyeliner. And with the eyeliner, you tend to want to go up with your eyeliner. You don't want to go down, because that's going to give your eyes like a downturned look, and that's really not attractive. You want your eyeliner to go up towards your temples of your head. So you want your eyeliner up like this. And if you want to add some lashes, maybe natural lashes, or maybe you want to add dramatic lashes, that works also. And then if you really want to kick it up a notch, then you can do your contour. And I also have a video about contours that's also in the description box. That's where you basically frame your face. So I naturally have a round face. So in order to give my face a slimmer look, I use a contour. So you're going to contour your cheeks, your jawline, your nose, and your hairline. And you also want to do your neck a little bit and under your bottom lip. So when you contour, you're going to put a lighter shade of concealer underneath your eyes, a lighter shade on your forehead. This is your T-zone, so the bridge of your nose, your cupid's bow, and also your chin. So you have the lighter concealer in these areas, and then you have the darker shades on the outer perimeter of your face. And then you're going to set it with a setting powder. So once you do that, you're really looking your best and you're ready to face the world. So a lot of people just don't like makeup, or they like it minimal, and that's fine also. So I would definitely recommend the 3-step, and that actually works with one try. You don't really have to do it for weeks in order to get results. You're going to get results right away. So if you have any underlying skin conditions like acne, maybe melasma, diabetes, you can have a butterfly rash, I think you should see your primary care physician or a specialist about treating that. Even before you want to apply makeup or before you try the 3-step, see your doctor about your underlying skin conditions, because that needs to be taken care of before you even think about adding makeup to your daily routine. So, from a spiritual standpoint, When you are beautiful spiritually, you see things from a higher perspective. So you're not looking at what taste, feels, see, sight, sound, and smell. Taste, touch, sight, sound, and smell. You're not going by those five senses. You're thinking with your inner voice. So let's do a little experiment about what your inner voice is. So right now, I want you to focus on something that's right in front of you, whether it's keys, a mug. I have a PlayStation controller. I always have this with me. So I don't know. It might be a picture. So you might have a picture. Anything you have right in front of you. So the thing that you have in front of you, I want you to focus on that. And then when I count to 3, I'm going to ask you to close your eyes and think of the object that you have right in front of you. So on the count of 3, I want you to close your eyes and picture the item that's right in front of you. So 1, 2, 3. So you're going to close your eyes. And can you still see that item that you had, whether it was a picture, a mug, anything that you had in front of you? Okay, so I'm sure that you can see it. So I'm going to count to 3 again, and I'm going to ask you to close your eyes. And I want you to say in your head what the item is that you chose. So if it was the mug, I want you to say mug in your head. So 1, 2, 3. You want to close your eyes, and you're just going to say it in your head, the item that you chose, you picked out. Okay, so you should have said it by now. So let's get to the point. You saw the item that you chose when you closed your eyes, so you didn't need your eyes to see that. You also said it in your head, the item that you chose, and you didn't use your mouth. And you also heard in your head the item that you chose. So that shows you there that you don't need your eyes to see, your mouth to speak, or your ears to hear. That is your inner voice, and that is what spirituality is about. That voice that doesn't go by your 5 physical senses, which are taste, touch, sight, sound, smell. And you should be led by that. That's your inner voice. And that's what being beautiful spiritually is all about, is following that inner voice. And we're going to talk about that more in depth as this channel grows. So I just want to say thank you for tuning in. And I hope that you liked the video. If you liked the video, share it with others, hit the like button, subscribe, and check the description box for more detailed videos. See you in the next video.